Hey, if you're a beginner guitar player, you're in the right place. Even if you're not a beginner guitar player, if you're intermediate or advanced player, listen, this may help you as well because even when I was a young guitar player, I didn't understand basic theory. I could play some stuff, but muscle memory ran out and it left me in that box that we've always talked about. We stuck in the box, we stuck in the box. We're stuck in that box because we don't understand how things work, how that basic theory will allow us to come out of that box and understand how things are associated. Okay. Now, what we're going to speak about today, and you're going to need to stay with me because you're going to learn a lot of stuff that you really thought that was really complicated, but it's really simple. So by the end of this video, what you'll learn is the formula, you'll learn the numbers, and you'll also learn the notes and how the notes are associated with the major scale. So you want to hang on, okay? Listen, the major scale. The major scale is like the heart is to the body. You know, the heart have all of these aortas and all of this stuff that will allow blood to pump through our body so we're able to live. And that's the same thing when it comes to the major scale. Without major scale, we couldn't play chords. We wouldn't have scales. We wouldn't understand how this stuff works. So it's very important that we understand that. And yes, there is a formula. There is a formula that allows us to understand this. Okay, what is that formula? Okay, it's not chemistry. Don't worry about it. It's not deep, okay? It's going to be real simple. I promise you that. Okay, what is the formula to the major scale? The formula to the major scale is whole step, half step, whole step, half step, okay? Again, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, okay? You see the W stands for whole step and H stands for half step. Okay, let's take a look at a demonstration of this, okay? Here we go. You start, whole step, half step, whole step, half step. Again, start, whole step, half step, whole step, half step. Okay, and each step is associated with a number. Okay, each one of those steps, the whole step and half step, is actually assigned a number from 1 to 7. And if we go to 8, that's actually the octave. That is the 1. So we're start on the 1, the starting point, and we work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to the 1. Let's take a look at a demonstration of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, or 8. So now we have each step, we have our steps. Each step is associated with a number from 1 to 7. Now, also tied to that is an alphabet, okay? Going from wherever we start at, and we're going to be actually in the key of C. We're going to start in the key of C, and then we're going to go all the way back to the key of C using the number and the alphabet. They are tied together, okay? All right, in the key of C, and we're in the key of C, starting on our C note, starting on the A string. So that's your 5th string on your 3rd fret would be the note C. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And that is in the key of C on your A string, which is your fifth string, on the third fret, starting on your third fret. Okay, let's look at a demonstration of that. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. The octave. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C again. And that's all it is to it. It's just that simple. We have our steps, which is our formula. Whole step, half step. Whole step, half step. Then each one of those steps is affiliated, or I should say tied in with a number. From 1 to 8 or 1 to 7, and it starts all over, which is 8 is the octave. So in the key of C, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay? So listen, we're almost there. You're going to look around and say, wow, I wish I had learned this years ago. Or if you're just beginning, you're on the right road. Listen, thank you so much for viewing, and we'll see you in the next video.